Want to change the ringtone sound for calls in Facebook Messenger? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the Messenger call ringtone on your phone step by step. First, open the Facebook Messenger app. Now tap the three-line menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top corner to open Messenger settings. Next, scroll down a little and select Notifications and Sounds. Here, look for the ringtone option and tap on it. You'll now see different ringtone sounds available for Messenger calls. Simply tap on any ringtone to preview the sound. Once you find the ringtone you like, just select it and go back. That's it. Your Facebook Messenger ringtone sound will now be updated successfully. If you're unable to change the ringtone, make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version, because some settings may look slightly different on older versions. And yeah, that's how to change the ringtone sound for Facebook Messenger calls easily. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook Messenger tips and tutorials.